on. Let me take out my key.
Bruh.
Oh. What's good, guys? Thank you for tuning in for another video today. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm going to be showing you guys the top 3 problems that I had with this Seicane and how to fix them. All right. So the top 3 was the Zlink, the Wi-Fi, and the head unit wouldn't turn off. So if you're having any of those 3 problems, you're in the right video. You know what I'm saying? Go down below, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get it. All right, so first thing first, the Zlink. If you're having a problem where your Zlink doesn't connect to your phone, or your wireless CarPlay does not show on your car stereo, well, there's 2 things that could be the possible problem. It could be the Bluetooth, you're not connected to the Bluetooth, or the hotspot, right? So right now I'm just gonna explain to you what I'm about to do. I'm gonna connect to the Bluetooth, and then after I'll connect to the hotspot. That way I'm good to go. So as you can see, I had to go to my settings, general, and I went to CarPlay to enable CarPlay. All right, so that's the last step that I forgot. So you connect, let's refresh it. You connect to the Bluetooth, connect to the hotspot, and then if you haven't already enabled your CarPlay settings, you go to general, CarPlay, and then you find the device name right here and make sure that button is green. All right, so second problem is the Wi-Fi. Me personally, my Wi-Fi wasn't working with it doesn't work with my phone hotspot. I haven't been able to fix it. But if you go to McDonald's Wi-Fi, Tim Hortons, any Wi-Fi that has a secured password or public Wi-Fi, all you gotta do is make sure your hotspot is turned on. This head unit is kind of outdated, so it doesn't automatically switch to the Wi-Fi, so you have to manually turn that off. Now when you turn it on, you should be fine. It says check for password. So you see that? You can see that we have Wi-Fi there. Also, make sure when you use the McDonald's Wi-Fi, you actually go to their website, and then you get the access. You can connect to it, but you need the access to it. Okay, so yeah, it works. You can see that the Wi-Fi is there. You're good to go. Now the last thing is the problem with the head unit. If your head unit does not turn off, it's a simple problem. All you gotta do is this right here. Let me roll the clip. There's 2 wires. You just gotta take them out, disconnect them. Let's see if I can disconnect it, just like that, and you can already tell it goes off. You see right there, it goes off. So now when you put the key back in your ignition, it will automatically turn on. Okay, as you can see right there. Now if you take it out, boom, in, and I'm saying that's it.